I've just returned from an extremely important photo shoot with an IKEA lantern and all my photos have been ruined. Oh no! Gonna have to rebook the lantern and do it all over again. Can you see the problem? Look at all the lines in this image here. Let's have a look at another shot. Again, absolutely riddled with these lines. And again, all these lines through the shot. Raw, JPEG, doesn't matter what you were doing, your shoot is ruined. But how did this terrible monstrosity happen? Was I using the dreaded silent shutter? Did that cause this horrible banding? No. It's all about the electronic front curtain shutter and high-speed sync. If you're going to be shooting high-speed sync, do yourself a favour and turn the electronic first curtain shutter off, and then you'll get no lines in your photo, and your shoot will be restored to the tranquil peace that it needs to be, and you can go home happy in the knowledge that your pictures won't be full of lines, because no one likes lines for their homework. So if you don't know how to do this on a Sony camera, it's in the menu system on the second tab, tab 2, and you just simply scroll to electronic first curtain shutter and select it to off, and you will notice a change in the shutter noise. And once you're done with your high speed work, you can put it back to how it was before. However, sometimes if you are shooting like 1.4s, 1.8s in very fast shutter speeds, it can be good to not have it turned on for that anyway, but it's especially important when you're using your flash in high speed sync. Otherwise, that's going to be your result. Not good, not pretty. And with the price that this IKEA lantern charges, it wasn't good to have to book him again. There you go. As usual, guys, it's been emotional.